Hello everybody, now I'm going to teach you how to solve an equation. Alright, given this example, I know most of you guys like when I do the variable house, number house, so I'll go ahead and draw my houses. This is obviously the variable house because that's what the variable is, and this is the number house. Alright, over in the variable house, some people need to leave. And I know most of you guys like to say the number furthest away from x, but it's actually the same thing as saying the last description you write under your description column when you do the do-undo method. But either one is correct. All right, so 13 will be the first one to leave. Since 13 is positive or it's added to the whole expression, when you undo adding, you subtract. So I'll subtract 13 on both sides. And when I do that, in the number house, 55 minus 13 gives me 42. Now I'm just left with negative 1 times 4x plus 6. Again, I'm trying to get the variable x by itself in the variable house, so I got to get rid of some more stuff. All right, negative 1 is multiplied to the whole thing in the parentheses, so the undo of multiplication is division. So I'll divide both sides by negative 1. And so I'm left with 4x plus 6 equals 42 divided by negative 1 is negative 42. Okay. And then the next thing that will leave the variable house is the 6. Since I'm adding, I'll subtract when I undo it. And so then I have 4x equal to negative 48. And of course, to get x by itself, since the 4 is multiplied to it, I'll have to undo that by dividing. So I'll divide both sides by 4. And then I'll have negative 48 divided by 4, which gives me negative 12. So then x will equal negative 12.